Orlan, a famous performance artist from France, who shocked us with her public plastic surgery performances, where she incorporated the various paintings of women, continues to shock us with her latest piece that she did in residence at Symbiotica, namely the Harlequin coat. This idea is to create a composite organic coat made from an assemblage of skin pieces from different colors that are made in vitro in petri dishes in the lab. The prototype of this biotechnological coat consists of skins in colored diamond-shaped petri dishes, symbolizing cultural crossbreeding. This continues her investigation into the idea of hybridization. The series Self-Hybridation shows different cultural ideas of beauty in different media and how to crossbreed beauty canons from these different cultures. The Harlequin coat continues this idea with a more carnal medium of skin cells that actually are made from different races. And this raises various questions. Can skins of different colors be cultivated? What kind of information can be obtained from donors? Can a person still be the owner of his or her cells? Does self-ownership continue to exist at the fragmented level? How are such issues perceived in various countries, and especially in the context of non-Western viewpoint? These are the questions that Orlan poses with her Harlequin coat. Steve Kurtz is a founding member of the award-winning art and theater collective Critical Art Ensemble that's been together since 1987. They're also one of the first groups to work with biotechnologies and social issues. They have written a number of books and have been very active in this area. In May 2004, Kurtz called 9/11 to report the sudden death of his wife, Hope, by congenital heart failure. When the police came, they found biological equipment and a small home lab and petri dishes containing biological specimens. They deemed these materials suspicious and notified the FBI, who detained Kurtz for 22 hours without charge on suspicion of bioterrorism. Meanwhile, dozens of federal agents in hazardous material suits raided the Kurtz home, seizing books, computers, manuscripts, and art materials, and removing Hope's body from the county coroner for further analysis. This case carried on for over 4 years, and a movie was created by video and media artist Lynn Hirschman, Strange Culture, which you will watch. So we looked at artists who work with biotech, tissue cultures, with animals, and continue to shock us. Somehow it seems to be a field that is about the shock value. And Stellark doesn't seem to ever stop in that realm. The most recent way was to create a third ear on his arm. And this is engineered by a doctor that finally agreed to do this, even though there's absolutely no reason to have an ear on your arm. It's engineered with using human cartilage, and it reminds us of the oncomouse that Donna Haraway wrote about that inspired Kathy High. So let's take a look at some of his work. The third ear is considered a performance by Stellark, and it consists of a subdermal implant. The subdermal implant refers to a kind of a body jewelry that is placed underneath the skin, allowing the body to heal over the implant and creating a raised design. These kind of implants fall under the category of body modification. That is a whole subculture you may or may not be aware of. The process is also known as 3D implant or pocketing. This implant of a cell-cultivated ear in his left arm is also an example of transhumanism, a movement of people who believe that our body is not enough and that the use of science and technology, especially neurotechnology, biotechnology, and nanotechnology, could overcome human limitations and improve the human conditions. In fact, Stellark is well known for saying that the body is going to be obsolete.